What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. What's up, my J-Dolls and baby J's? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn them post notifications on so you can know when your girl posts. And as y'all can tell by the title and the thumbnail, your girl has red hair today and she is giving, okay? Like, baby hairs is laid. Don't play with her. So this is another hair review, and today I'm working with VSHOWHAIR, and they sent me a kinky curly 20-inch wig, and it came in this box. I've worked with them before, and the only thing comes in the box is the wig cap and also, you know, the information for the hair. So this is their kinky curly burgundy wig, and it's in the density 180. So it is 180. It is full, and as y'all can see when I do the install, you'll see that the hair actually gets really big and full. So it's really damp right now, so it's not all the way blown out. So I will show y'all some pictures and put some clips in here with it big and full. And for some reason it's not giving off the full potential of the color, so I'll also include pictures of that. It is a 13x4 lace, so it stops right there, and it's the full frontal around. I did get some shedding because I did pluck this hair a lot, and y'all will see that. I finally did a plucking video so that y'all can see how I pluck my wigs, because I don't be want to over pluck, but I don't want to under pluck either, so we can have a thick, you know, bulky lace. And it's plus it's kinky hair, so you will get shedding with curly hair. It does not tangle at all for right now, so I will do an update if that's what y'all want. And the curls like are given, like I don't think y'all can see. And I did frizz it out a little bit because I didn't like the, well, I like the defined look, I just didn't want it to look, you know, just flat on my head, so I did frizz it out a bit. Today I gave y'all a install and a plucking tutorial, and the lace was a little too light for me. As y'all can see at the front, it's a little too light, but I still try to make it work. I put some makeup on that thing and slapped that wig on. But yeah, this is the hair, and I'm so in love with it. Like, it's giving me natural vibes, period. A pro I do say with this hair, it is very low maintenance for it to be a kinky curly wig. I thought it was gonna be like too tangled and I would have to brush it all day every day, but gladly it did not tangle, and I don't have to do much but just brush it and put water on it. A con is that it takes so long to dry, and if you're a person like me, I hate having water or like wet hair on me because I feel like I'm gonna get sick. So I would like try to blow dry it before you go out. And you also can use the code VSYT. I'll put it right here so y'all can get some money off, because we need to be saving our coins in this panorama. The last color I had that was this color was a straight wig, and I always wanted to try a curly wig in this color, and sit like we're giving, like for real. I can't wait to take some pictures. I hope y'all enjoyed this video tutorial. Any questions y'all have, put them down below and I'll be sure to get to them. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. So today I'm going to be using Arrogance TAE plucking method that he used in one of his classes I saw on YouTube. So that's what I'm going to be using today, and just showing y'all how I basically pluck my wigs, because I do not like to over pluck and I don't like to under pluck either. So as you can see, I'm starting with the front layer, and I'm going to start plucking that first. And he also used a colored towel underneath so that you can see the knots very vividly. And normally I just pluck it on the white head, but I find this method better. So basically what I'm doing right here is just plucking the first layer, and then I'm going to divide the hair. So use the bottom half of the tweezers, not the top. Right here, as you can see, I parted the hair, and I'm also going to spray it with my spray bottle just so that it's an easier slip, that I'm not tugging on too much hair. And you also want to stay moving. You do not want to stay in the same spot because you will get a bald patch. I just keep moving. sometimes I do like 3 or 4 layers back, but this is a colored wig, so on colored wigs you really don't need to pluck that much. But yeah, that is the method that I use, and I'm just gonna stop talking and let y'all enjoy the video. I know I said I was done talking, but I just want to show y'all the before and the after. So this is the after, and then this is the before. Giving very much Scapiana and not Bokiana. But alright, y'all, I'm just gonna let y'all watch the video.